Exposing the AI-level precision in the world's most powerful car engine, this is how Bugatti's W16 turns 1500 horsepower into pure intelligent speed. Let's dive into the tech behind the legend. Now, the Bugatti's W16 engine is legendary for its insane power, quad-turbocharged 8.0 liters, pumping out up to 1500 horsepower. But here's what most people don't realize, that power is only possible thanks to artificial intelligence guiding almost every step. Building a Bugatti engine isn't your average assembly line. Robotic arms, CNC machines, and AI-driven systems work together so precisely they can fit engine parts with tolerances of just 0.01 millimeter, that's thinner than a human hair. It's manufacturing on a level where error isn't an option, but the magic doesn't stop there. Once the engine is built, AI takes the driver's seat, literally. Intelligent systems inside the car constantly analyze data temperature, pressure, grip, torque, you name it. Adaptive cooling kicks in during full throttle runs, dynamic boost control fine-tunes the turbos, and real-time torque distribution keeps everything glued to the road. It's like a digital brain orchestrating 1500 horses in perfect harmony. Bugatti isn't just about blistering speed, it's proof that smart engineering and artificial intelligence can push the limits of what's possible. This is the future of supercars, where power meets precision and code meets combustion. Want more deep dives into AI-powered machines and the future of speed? Smash that subscribe button and buckle up. This is just the start.